welcome back to Trinity Next. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
I'm here with BoxyCharm.
She's getting all her boxes. Boom, boom, boom,
I
boom.
know.
We're so jealous. And I was thinking we could do another giveaway on Sunday, this Sunday, if this goes up today, which is Friday. Hopefully we can do that. I just need to go pick up a couple things that I bought to put in the giveaway. They're not makeup related, even though there will be palettes in the giveaway. They're just some seasonal kind of themed stuff I thought you guys might like, so just so you know.
So I don't know why this was upside down in there, but anyway, oh, and it's like stuck. I don't know. Why?
all the issues with like the paper.
Okay, I don't know why that was stuck and ripped, but there's that. And then it says on the back, introducing the bigger BoxyCharm, introducing BoxyCharm 2.0. And I know, like, in this one, I was able to pick one of my items, I think. Anyway, so customize a little bit.
I like
anyway.
her earrings. They make me think of like the 80s look or something. It's really cute. That picture of her. I like that picture, sorry.
I mean, I don't know if I should show it with what it looks like without that in it. But anyway, it looks like that. Okay.
You're right, it is very
So this is a thing that I chose. I can't remember, it was this or I can't remember what the other thing was. But anyway, I chose Iconic Linden's Prep Sec Glow. And then it said it was going to send it in like two different colors. And I was like, well, I hope whatever color I get, it's a good color. Cause
it says it's normally $29. Prep Sec Glow is a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with Iconic's glow. The stunning multi-use spray can be used to prep the skin before applying makeup, set a finished look, or add a radiant gloss to a bare face and body. With extracts of cucumber and chamomile, antioxidants, green tea, caffeine, and vitamin E. This 100% vegan wonder spray helps to condition skin, combat the look of dark circles, and leave your skin feeling revitalized and glowing. I know, I feel like if I didn't have my glasses on, I'd be like, spray me too. I'm trying to see if there's a smell to it. Oh, it smells good. Kind of perfumey though, like strong smell. But
I feel like I did too much.
You probably did. You like cut to the camera.
I was trying to see how much comes out. But yeah, it has like, it looks like it has glitter.
It's weird, it does a lot. Like, I'm glad you got that just because it seems like it does everything.
It's all like blue, 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 blue. Look at the color, like the swirl. Like, that's crazy.
We're food deprived right now, guys, so just bear with us.
Sorry about the lid popping off. Anyway, okay, and I feel like I have it in my mouth now. And then I'm pulling out just the colors, Sassy Siennas.
Is that? Oh, it's a eyeshadow palette, right?
Yeah.
It says 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This palette is a great way to add boldness and vibrance to your eye looks. It's normally $32.
Okay.
I'm going to read all that good stuff.
And then the next thing is Hollywood and Vine Black 101 Kohl Crayon. Just a eyeliner, right? So a Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl Eyeliner. Okay.
Yeah, it says line your eyes with, and it's kind of cut off, but I think it says this rich intensity, a velvety touch smooth kohl eyeliner. The creamy formula glides on smooth and adds drama to any desired look. Okay. And we know how I feel about eyeliner. That would go to giveaway.
I'll probably put that. Yeah. Oh, you read my mind.
Giveaway. How many eyeliners can one girl use when you got 100?
I know one, and I tend to like liquid ones too. So it's so okay. And then Mellow. Oh. What? No, it's
tinted brow gel. Oh, okay, that's the other one. I was like,
what are you talking about?
I was like, it looks like mascara. This is like really hard to see.
Dark brown. So I mean, maybe I might give it a try. If not, then it'll go in a giveaway. So,
or to her sister, because I love like brow stuff.
But it was called Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, just in case neither of us said it.
I know.
Did we say it?
Oh, I don't know. It says achieve effortlessly, and I don't know if it says trimmed or something. That word's cut off. And tinted brows of Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush.
Or maybe I'll try it, and if I don't like it,
allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no. I'm guessing that's mess. See how it's all cut off because of that?
Well, it's stuck.
Perfect to use over powder or pencil.
Look how much glitter is on my hands. Oh my gosh.
Well, it's supposed to leave a shine, so there you go.
Is my face that shiny?
Not to me, but
okay. Hank and Henry's Slick with It mascara.
Slick with It
duo. Cool.
It says
I'll give that a go.
Slick with It mascara will have you feeling like you have major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The dual wand applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to top of your lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. That retails for $19, and the gel for $16, and then the eyeliner for $7. By the way, if I didn't say all that, so
I'm gonna give you a thumbs up, BoxyCharm. I like everything that came in this. I think
you can win a 1-year subscription. This is right there. I'll kind of fold this in half just real quick, just so you guys can see that. hopefully it's close enough. That was it for this video. If you want to be part of our future giveaways, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up if we were fast enough for you. And as I said, we'll do another giveaway in probably like 2 days time or something. We're just going to grab the things from the store that I bought and then put them in a box for you guys. And there'll be like just one winner this time, just so you know. But we'll see you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.